guys, Angius here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful Greek goddess inspired updo. The steps speak for themselves, therefore there won't be any explanation needed. So I hope you guys enjoy this tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye! Hi guys, in this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this Roman braid inspired updo. Start off by teasing the hair on top. Gently back comb the hair to get volume and to create the puffiness you need for this look. Once you've done that, use your fingers to smooth the hair back in place. Take two small sections of hair from both sides and cross those over each other. Take a new section of hair from the side and cross this over the hair to the other side. Hold the hair in place using the other hand while taking a new section from the other side, crossing it again over to the other side. So what you're actually doing is crisscrossing hair sections over each other. Keep doing this until you crisscross all the hair over each other, and with this you created a fishtail braid. Once you tied the end with a clear hair elastic, it's time to place your favorite hair accessory. Now gently pull the braid apart to make it bigger and fuller. Hold the strand with one hand while pulling the braid up with the other hand until it reaches the top. Take the end and hide it under the braid. secure in place with a bobby pin. To make sure the updo lasts all day, use bobby pins to secure it gently in place. Spray a small amount of hairspray and your look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye! Hello everyone! In this tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to create an easy, carefree, messy bun. Start off by smoothing the hair upwards using your fingers. Twist the hair into a bun and tie this not too tightly with an hair elastic. Now the fun part begins. Gently pull the bun apart to give it a textured undone look. For a less smooth look, use your fingers to pull some hair out for a messier appearance. While doing this, keep the bun in place with your other hand. Pull some hair out for a softer appearance. And voila! Your look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye! Hi everyone! In this tutorial I'm gonna show you how to create this beautiful hairdo. Start off by parting the hair. Take a big section of hair and tease this gently with a brush to create volume. If you don't like teasing, you can skip this part. Brush the hair back in place using your fingers. Apply some hairspray if needed. Twist the first two hair sections towards each other. Keep twisting the hair tightly into each other. Secure the end with an elastic, finish off with some hairspray, and your look is finished. I hope you guys enjoyed creating this look and I hope to see you next time. Bye bye!